Hey glitter babes, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming a makeup tutorial using the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Requiem. I hope you enjoy this makeup look and stay tuned for more glam. So to start off today's look, I'll be using the Tarte Shape Tape concealer to prime my eyelids, and then I'm using a fluffy eyeshadow brush with this shade from the 35F palette by MORPHE, and I'm going to apply this all over my lid in back and forth motions. This is going to be the base for our color. After that, I'm going to be using another eyeshadow fluffy brush with this shade from the 35F palette, and I'm going to spray it with ROSEWATER. This is like a perfect metallic champagne shade. And I'm just going to apply this to my eyelid, all over the lid. And just going back and forth with that fluffy brush. Then afterwards, I'm going to be using that other brush that I used for the crease, and I'm just going to go back and forth and deepen that crease area. Once that's done, we're going to be using the AURORA palette to complete our look. I'm using this blue shade with another fluffy eyeshadow brush, and I'm putting this blue shade all over my lid. I'm going to spray it with some ROSEWATER just to deepen the pigment. And I just love this color, it's so beautiful. I'm applying it all over the lid. It's okay if you get it in your crease because it's just gonna deepen that area as well. So you're just going to blend it back and forth. This shade is so pretty. I'm obsessed with it. Just go back and forth, circular motions. Once you're done, you're going to line your eyelids. I'm using the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner. This is my all-time fave eyeliner. And today, for the look, we're going to be doing a winged liner because we're going to do a glitter liner as well. So we're just lining our eyes, creating that winged look. And then once we're done, we're going to be using this silver glitter liner. I got this from Amazon. I can leave the link down below. It's so good. You don't need a glitter primer for this. It's really sticky, it's super pigmented, and you're just gonna line where you already lined your eye. You're just gonna put it on top of that black liner. And it's gonna create this beautiful glittery look. Just be careful not to touch the black liner, you just want it outlined. So pretty. And then once you're done, you're going to put mascara on your lashes. I'm using the Million Lashes by L'Oreal Paris, and you're just going to do that to the top of your eyelashes. You can do that to both eyes. Once that's completed, you're going to do it to your bottom lash line as well. This is going to create a doll-like appearance, and it's going to look so good. Okay, all done. And then now we're going to be lining our waterline with a white liner. You can use a black liner or whatever you prefer. And then now we're going in with this Luna shade from the AURORA palette, and I'm just putting that in the inner corner of my eye. And this is just going to highlight the look and make it pop. Once you're done, you're going to apply your foundation. I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation, and I'm just applying that all over and then blending it out with a foundation blending brush. Don't forget your neck and just blend away. This foundation is full coverage, super affordable, drugstore foundation. Love it so much. Once you're done, we're going to apply concealer. I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape concealer. I'm just applying it under my eyes and in any areas where you have blemishes, and we'll cover that up. And then I'm blending it out with a beauty blender. So now it's time to contour. I'm going to be using the ABH Contour Kit, and I'm going to apply that onto my cheekbones and my forehead using the A18 brush by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And then to blend it out, I'm using this e.l.f. blending brush. It's my all-time fave, and I'm just blending and chiseling those cheeks. Just back and forth upward motions, just blending that away and just cleaning up any spots. And then after that, I'm going to be using the MERCIER translucent powder. I'm applying that where I put the contour, and then after it's done baking, I'm going to wipe that off with a fluffy fan brush. Okay, and now we're all set for highlight, my favorite part. I'm using my highlighting brush with some rose water and going in with the Luna shade and the blue shade from the Aurora palette. And I'm just applying that to my cheekbones, above my eyebrow, my nose, and my cupid's bow. To complete the look, we'll be using this ABH liquid lipstick in the shade Requiem. This is a beautiful blackened teal metallic shade. It's so beautiful. It's super pigmented. A little bit goes a long way, so you're just gonna line your lip very carefully, starting with your bottom lip and then moving on to your upper lip. Just lining to perfection. And take your time because, like I said, you don't want to mess up. Just going back and forth, lining those lips. Once you're done, we're going to be applying a shade from the Aurora Glow Kit on top of our lip. I'm using this blue shade with a flat top brush, and I'm applying it to the center of my lip as well as the top. Just very carefully applying that on. So this is the completed look. If you enjoyed this tutorial, you can give it a thumbs up down below, leave a comment, and also subscribe to my channel. I make new beauty videos every week. And don't forget to tap that notification bell.